Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on my Louis Vuitton Bumbag. You guys know how much I love this bag. This bag has been in multiple videos of mine, but if you want more of an in-depth review and some pros and cons to this bag, then you came to the right video and just keep on watching. Before we get started guys, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury pretty much. I love luxury, and yeah, if you like those sort of things too, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So I'm going to give you guys a little review and then the pros and cons to this bag. So yes, I have the Louis Vuitton Bumbag, and this is in the all monogram. This bag comes in the Empreinte leather and also the Wave collection. The Wave collection is so pretty. I really want the black one in the Wave collection, but I'm really happy with this one. I love how classic and timeless this is. It's just really cool look to it, and it is monogram canvas with the Vachetta leather, and my Vachetta leather is like becoming caramelized. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but as you guys can see, it's becoming like that caramel color slowly but surely. And I really like it because eventually it's going to turn into that deep brown. I love the deep brown Vachetta on Louis Vuitton bags because it makes it look kind of vintagey. Is that a word? So the hardware on this bag is gold. Like all Louis Vuitton hardware, it is gold. And I love the gold coloring of Louis Vuitton hardware. It's just, it's not in your face and it just looks so rich, and it's just like a subtle kind of gold. So the zipper closures are gold, the zipper in the back is gold, also the zipper in the front is that gold color metal as well. So on the belt buckle strap, it also is gold on this side right here, and it's also cool because on the buckle part of this, I still have the sticker on. It says Louis Vuitton and it is also gold. This bag features a top handle, so it's really nice, and it reminds me of like the Pochette Matisse. The top handle for that bag is just really pretty, and on the top it says Louis Vuitton Paris. And yeah, it's a really cool look to the bag, and you could just carry it like this sometimes, and it's really cool. So this bag features a kind of belt kind of strap. I think it's really cool, and it gives the bag a unique look to it. This strap is amazing. It is all Vachetta leather except like the metal parts of the bag that I showed you previously. And yeah, it's just really pretty, and it is also adjustable. So as you guys can see, the many holes that it has, you can shorten it or make it longer, however you'd like to wear it. And on this side of the strap, you can adjust it to make it shorter or longer, or if you just want to do this side with the holes on it to make it shorter and longer, you can do that as well. The bag has a zippered back compartment. I love this zipper back compartment. It goes all the way down right here to the end of the bag, and it is pretty roomy, so you could fit your phone, you could put a couple cards if you want it to be easy accessible. I like using this little pouch as like an easy grab and go kind of thing. Like if I'm at the store, I'll put my card holder and my phone because I tend to reach that more than anything else in my bag when I'm out, so I like to keep it in this pocket. We're gonna go into the inside of the bag. The inside of the bag is made out of cotton canvas lining. It's a really soft but durable kind of lining. I really like the feel of it. You could just tell it's really good quality, and it is just one big compartment. And right on the inside here it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I love when my pieces are made in France. But it's just like a black interior, and it's like really good and roomy, and I really like the feel of it. So that is the inside of this bag. Here is the inside of the back zipper compartment. It is again that cotton canvas lining, and it is very durable, and it's just this black color like the inside of the bag. And yeah, that's the interior of the back pocket. Now I'm going to share with you guys the dimensions of the bag that I got from the website. So the height of the bag is 5.51 inches. The length of the bag is 14.57 inches, and the width of the bag is 5.12 inches. So it is a really decent sized bag. For sure, before I purchased this bag, I was looking up videos because I like to do that every time I want to get a bag. Watch everyone's videos on the bag to see what their pros and cons are, and just to get like a more better understanding of the bag and how it will fit in my lifestyle. So before when I purchased it, I was like, I don't know if a lot could fit in this bag. I don't know if I should spend that kind of money. I was looking for a bag like this to bring literally everything in my normal big bags to put in here, because I like to bring this when I'm wanting to go hands-free, beach, to the park, somewhere I'm going to be walking and be active. This is such an easy bag to wear doing so. So I just wanted something that was big enough but also this kind of size, and I wanted a bum bag. So now I'm going to go into the pros and the cons of this bag. Starting off with the pros. The first pro for this bag is that it fits a ton. Like I mentioned before, I was looking for a bag this kind of style, like a bum bag style, but I wanted something that was going to carry everything, because I like to wear this bag when I'm going for a long walk or something. Just easy to throw on, but also could fit a lot of stuff. So that is one pro for me, that I'm always looking for a bag. My second pro to this bag is how versatile it is. So like I mentioned before, the strap is adjustable, but not only the strap being adjustable that makes it versatile, but you can wear this bag in so many different ways. You can wear it as a bum bag style. You can turn it all the way to the back of you and give it like a backpack kind of look. Also, you can wear this on the shoulder like this, and at the end of the video I will give you guys mod shots. But this bag is so versatile, the way you can wear it, whatever, depending what outfit you are wearing, it's literally versatile to how you want it to look. So I really like that little feature of this bag, and that is definitely a pro for me. As you guys know, if you are my subscribers, then you know how much I love versatile bags, and if you can wear them in more than one way, I love that, because I want to be able to, you know, get my money's worth out of my handbags. Third pro to this bag is this back zipper. So you guys know in my previous videos, if you watch them, I always mention the zipper, how much I love it, and I do love it so much because it is roomy, and you can fit your phone, you can fit a card holder, you can fit a little hand sanitizer. That's what I've been doing, and I just love a bag that has an extra pocket that separates the bag, because I like to put the things that I reach for the most in that kind of pocket, so it's not like I'm scrambling through my bag or whatnot. But I just love an extra pocket in my bag, and I love how this pocket right here is like, it goes deep all the way to the end of the bag, and it's wide enough so you could put a lot of stuff in it, but not too much, because it might bulk up to your body and feel uncomfortable. But I like to usually put my phone, a card holder, hand sanitizer, and like a hair tie if I just want my hair up. Even though most of the time I wear my hair up, but just if I'm having my hair down that day and I just get sick of it, which is all the time, I like to have things that I could just grab and, you know, not stop and scramble through my bag for. My fourth pro to this bag is how you can wear this bag with any outfit, because like I said, the versatility of not only strap, but the way you can wear this bag, like shoulder style, backpack style, or bum bag style. Whatever outfit that you're wearing, you can easily make this bag look a certain way with your outfit, if that makes sense. My fifth pro to this bag is how easy and comfortable this bag feels. Every time that I have it on, it doesn't weigh me down if I have a lot of stuff in it. I sometimes forget that I even have it on. It's just so comfortable. It's very securely on your body. I love wearing this if I'm going to a much larger group of people that I'm going to be surrounding myself with. I love wearing this bag because it's to your body, and you know where it's at all times, so you know that your bag is safe and that no one can, you know, take it from you, steal anything from you. So I really like how this bag feels on the body, and it's just so comfortable. So I really recommend this bag if you're looking for something that is big enough but also secure and classic and fashionable. So this is the bag for you. My last pro to this bag is this top handle. Another look that you can do with this is just hold it top handle like. It's really cool, and like I said before in the beginning of the video, this handle reminds me of the Pochette Matisse handle on top of that bag, and I just think it gives it a really unique, cool look and just puts the bag together completely. And it's just so easy to just grab this and go when you're in a rush or something, or you just want to carry it like this. It is perfect. So I really like this little detail of this bag. Okay, now I'm going to go into the cons of this bag. So my first con of this bag is the vachetta, how the strap is all vachetta. Even though I like vachetta leather and I like how over time it caramelizes and gives it that look, vachetta can be very stressful. So I think it's like a 50-50 for me. I love the way it looks, but on the other hand, it can be stressful for me because if it gets watermarks on it or anything like that, it just stresses me out. But what I've learned from having not only my Neverfull but my other pieces that have vachetta leather, that when time passes, the vachetta gets like that brown look to it, so it will blend in with the color and it won't be that big of a deal. But when you're first getting it, I've only had this bag for like a few months now, and it's getting caramelized, but it's not that rich brown color yet, so you can still see some watermarks on this bag, but eventually it will like blend in with the color of the vachetta. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that con. Second con, and my only con I have left for this bag, is that when you are trying to get into the bag, you have to unfold this flap right here, if you guys can see right here, because if you have this down, it is so hard to get inside of the bag with this flap right here. It tends to get in the way, and it sometimes can be annoying. If it's on your body, it's even harder because you can't see the zipper because of this flap, but you have to unfold this flap and you can unzipper it easily. But I just wanted to let you guys know about that. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this bag or any video suggestions that you want me to do on this bag, maybe like the ways you can wear it, let me know in the comments. I would gladly love to do those kinds of videos. I want to be able to put content out there for you guys that you want to see. Go follow me on Instagram. I love talking to you guys over there and doing stories, asking you guys what kind of videos you guys want to see. I'll do polls. I'll let you know what upcoming videos are, and it's just really fun to be able to talk to you guys over there. And I love getting to know you guys, and I love for you guys to get to know me a little more. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.